guys, my name is Doro and welcome back. Today's video is a YouTube collaboration with Evitamins. They reached out to me a few weeks ago. They want me to try some of their products, so stay tuned so we can unbox and see what they sent me. Oh my god, it's like they kind of read my mind. If you have dry skin, you can use coconut oil right here on your elbows. They tend to get very dry most of the time and we forget about this part a lot. Also, when I get super dry lips, I just apply a little bit of coconut oil and the next day my lips are super hydrated. If you want to do a hair mask with some coconut oil, if you want to see that tutorial, let me know. And of course, I saw it. I even make a video how to use Bentonite clay to treat smelly armpits. This clay, it's so good for face masks, to treat acne, to treat even insect bites. If you wanted to make this Bentonite clay face mask, you need to use a non-metal bowl and spoon. You combined the same amount of apple cider with the same amount of the Bentonite clay. Oh, they sent me an eyeshadow. Look at this natural eyeshadow. And Benecos, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but Benecos is the company, and I just went to Google and they are certified natural makeup that is hip yet affordable. If you want to win this beautiful natural eyeshadow, let me know in the comments below. Tea tree oil. I like the idea of combining the tea tree oil with the grapeseed oil. Both are really good to moisturize without breaking my skin out. I love to treat my pimples with a little bit of tea tree oil. This is so cool. It's Hydrolyzed Collagen types 1 and 3. It's free of all these things. I've been thinking about buying some collagen powder and this is like right on the spot.
As you can see, they also sent me other products like this pink blender bottle, a bag of organic Brazil nuts, biotin pills, and a green juice sampler.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I did a lot. I really wanted to open that box. Remember, I'm going to give away 2 products. I will let you guys know on my Facebook page, so stay tuned if you want to win one of those 2 products. Yeah, subscribe and I'll see you on Monday. Pura Vida!